Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying our videos. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I thank God for your lives, and I am very happy to see you in 2023. So, this being our first breakfast in 2023, I am going to share with you how I make my wheat pancakes. My wheat pancakes. So, this is my wheat flour, 500 grams. As you can see, I blended it myself. You can get your own wheat and blend it, or you can buy the blended one as well. But this, we made it ourselves. And to this, we are going to be adding 900 ml of milk. You can choose to use lesser, or you can choose to use more, depending on how thick you want it to be. And I'm going to be using 3 eggs today. As you can see, there is no sugar because we are trying to be healthy in 2023. So just enjoy. After making it, you can use your syrups, you can use your choco, you can put in your icing sugar, anything you want. But be mindful of your sugar. So let's get started. So I'm going to add in my eggs. This is all 3 eggs. I added some milk to it just to loosen it up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make a hole in the middle. Just like that. And then I'm going to pour it in. All of it. You can use vanilla extract as well, pineapple flavor, any flavor of your choice. But today, we just want the wheat flavor. So we're leaving it just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. Just that. If you don't have it, you can use your hands. It works. Or you can use your blender as well. I'm going to be adding in my milk bit by bit. Be mindful of your milk, depending on how thick you want it. If you want it very, very thick, don't put too much. If you don't want it too thick, just keep adding it to your preference. I'm going to go in with a bit more. You can let the kids help as well. I am doing this one for presentation purposes, whilst they're doing this separately, just so they will not mess my thing for me. So if you want a very thick pancakes, you can leave it like this, but you should let it be a bit lighter because it's wheat. Of course, it's whole, so you just would like it to be a bit lighter. So I have my pan on the fire already because there's no wasting time this 2023. So we are on it. I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all together. Just to my preference or as to how I want it. So this is it for me. This is how I want it. As you can see, not too light, not too heavy. This is perfect. So let's get to frying. So for frying, I'm just going to go ahead and spray in some oil. You can use butter as well, but I'm using oil. My pan has already been on the fire, so it's hot. You can use your pancake machine as well. So this is my oil. After putting in the oil, I'm just going to wait a bit. My pan is already hot, but I just want the oil to also be hot. Okay, so I'm just going to go in just like that. Just one for me is okay. And then I'm going to let it cook on a medium heat for just about 2 minutes, and then I'll turn it around. You can see from the edges that it's cooking perfectly, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it cook and I'll turn it around. So this is it. I'm going to turn it around, as you can see. Perfect. Just like that. I'm going to cook the other side also for 2 minutes, and then it's done. You can see. Perfect. For the smell in the house, you need to be here. I don't have to tell you. You just need to be here. So as you can see, it's beginning to pop all the air, as you can see. So now it's okay. I'm just going to take it off and go ahead with the rest of it. Just like that. On to the second one. So it's just going to be like this until it's all done. So see you when it's all done. There you have it, guys. So I'm serving mine with choco. You can serve yours with anything at all. So this is it. I'm serving mine with choco. You can serve it with anything you want. Try it and let us see. This is mine. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Enjoy your new year, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, and more important, remember to subscribe so that you won't miss any video we post. Bye bye.